Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best cooling racks on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Spring Chef Cooling Rack. The Spring Chef Cooling Rack is made from durable 100% heavy gauge stainless steel with no non-stick coatings to be worried about. Stainless steel is known to be rust resistant, durable, and food safe. This model withstands oven temperatures up to 575 degrees, just right for crispy baked chicken wings or crusty sourdough bowls. The company guarantees this product is warp and bend proof. A rack of many hats, the Spring Chef model not only serves your roasting and baking needs, but is also a great choice if you're decorating pastries. The grid is supported by crossbars for maximum stability, and the half-sheet size offers lots of room. The only potential issue with this model is the shorter profile of the rack. It's only a ½ inch tall, which makes for less free airflow and causes it to sit lower on a standard baking sheet. On the flip side, it's dishwasher-safe, and the lower profile allows you to get closer for more precise decorating jobs, like piping gingerbread people. Oven safe, yes. Material, stainless steel. Dimensions, 12 into 17 inches. What we like: easy to clean, rust resistant, high heat tolerance. What we don't like: large gaps between wires, lower profile in sheet pans. Number 2. Our second best pick is Checkered Chef Cooling Rack. The Checkered Chef Cooling Rack pulls all the stops if you're looking for a high-quality rack that's versatile enough to tackle oven tasks as well as cooling jobs. The solid stainless steel construction ensures no rust is flaking off into food, and the central rod and crossbars keep it from warping or bending in the oven. It's tough enough to even segue over to your grill and fits comfortably in a standard half-sheet baking pan. This model is dishwasher-safe, and there are no exterior coatings to worry about chipping. Its wide grid design is the right choice for monster peanut butter cookies and delicate cakes. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, too, so no need to transfer baked goods, just cook them right on the rack, and then put it on the counter to cool. Oven safe, yes. Material, stainless steel. Dimensions, 16.5 into 11.5 inches. What we like: rust resistant, crossbar reinforcement, no coating. What we don't like: wide grid can allow food slippage. Number 3. Our third best pick is Nordic with 13-inch round cooling grid. This elegant cooling rack is a great choice if you want a piece that not only serves its kitchen function of cooling pastries, but can also easily double as serveware on your dining table. The copper-coated steel interior has a tight grid design that works well for bundt cakes, pizza, and pies, as well as many other small batch pastries. It's heavy-duty in construction and quite stable for all levels of weight. This option is strictly meant as a cooling rack, so that means no oven use, and it must be hand-washed. On the bright side, it's lovely, and the round design is perfectly suited for cakes. Oven safe, no. Material, copper-plated steel. Dimensions, 13-inch diameter. What we like: can double as serveware. Tight grid to prevent food slippage. What we don't like: hand wash only. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Goson Kitchen Stainless Steel Cooling and Baking Rack. This budget-friendly model actually comes with 2 racks at the same price as other individual racks. The chrome-plated stainless steel is durable and oven-safe up to 575 degrees. The best part of this design is the spacing on the grid. Each hatch is a ½ inch apart, and the elevation is 0.75 of an inch for maximum air circulation with little food slippage. The smaller size still fits comfortably in sheet pans for your roasting, baking, and broiling needs. There are 6 feet welded to the rack for maximum stability, and it's dishwasher-safe. The chrome coating on this model may rust over time, but at this price point, it's easily replaceable. Plus, this rack fits in most standard toaster ovens, which ups its versatility. Oven safe, yes. Material, chrome-plated stainless steel. Dimensions, 10 into 8 inches. What we like. Durable. Affordable. Includes 2 racks. What we don't like. Can rust. Small. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Ultra Cuisine Quarter Sheet Cooling Rack. The tight grid design and slightly longer 0.8-inch legs make this the choice for any cookies in your repertoire. The longer legs afford better air circulation, and the tight grids keep even the smallest cookies secure. This option is oven safe up to 575 degrees, fits easily into a standard quarter-size sheet pan, and will keep hand-cut fries from getting soggy. The 100% stainless steel construction is rust-resistant, unlike chrome-coated counterparts. The no-snag edges and elevated profile are enviable qualities, but it's also dishwasher-safe and super stable with crossbar supports. Whether you're looking for a cookie rack or something more, Ultra Cuisine's Quarter Sheet Cooling Rack is a durable, versatile choice. Oven safe, yes. Material, stainless steel. Dimensions, 8.5 into 12 inches. What we like. Rust resistant. Dishwasher safe. Tight wire grid. What we don't like. Food can stick in tight gauges. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.